Latest crypto and NFT news. Big Eyes Coin, Floki, and Sandbox, the top play-to-earn crypto projects in 2023. In the ever-evolving landscape of cryptocurrencies, play-to-earn projects have emerged as a revolutionary trend, offering users the opportunity to earn digital assets while playing games or participating in virtual worlds. Three standout projects leading the play-to-earn movement are Big Eyes Coin, Floki, and Sandbox, captivating crypto enthusiasts with their innovative approaches and earning potential. Big Eyes Coin has taken the crypto market by storm with its unique blend of adorable collectible NFTs and play-to-earn mechanics. Users can engage in gameplay, breeding, and trading of virtual pets, earning rewards in the form of Big Eyes coins. Floki, inspired by the popular internet meme and fueled by its vibrant community, has gained significant attention as a play-to-earn project. Floki introduces an innovative concept of play-to-earn mobile games, allowing users to earn native tokens by participating in exciting gameplay challenges. The Sandbox, unlocking immersive experiences and lucrative earning opportunities. Read the full news or articles at www.nftstudio24.com.